Come here. Look at his stomach. He's like.
Yeah. Oh, you got to see my finger.
He can bite.
Yeah. Ooh, who's a good little girl?
Look at his eyes.
Yeah,
They have stripes.
they're like frogs' eyes.